When children visit the amusement park, parents can top up at the service desk and get a stored value card for the park. Based on the playtime and attractions the children want to enjoy, parents can show the card to the staff, and the corresponding fee will be deducted. Finally, the staff will provide a wristband that allows access to the designated areas. At the same time, we can use different colored wristbands for different areas to facilitate management and differentiation. The children can then have a wonderful time. This swing gate with indicator and decorative lights. It has rounded edges with no sharp corners, making it child-friendly. It also supports an authorized access restriction to better protect children's safety.